Hello, my name is Diane Bleck, and I'm the founder of the Center for Visual Facilitation. And today we're going to be talking about when you have no vision, it equals no motivation. Vision and clarity help you be decisive and to know the direction in which you're going with your life and your business. So I want to talk about a simple activity that I do when I'm getting ready to go into vision and planning and strategic thinking at the end of the year, because we do that. We start thinking about who are we going to be next year. And I'm not even talking about a vision board. I'm just talking about a simple little activity where you can start to look at what do you know, what do you do, what's inside your heart, and what is your impact. So I normally start with a little grid, so it's a little 4 square. I drew a picture of myself in the middle, and I thought about what do I know? And the things that I know are facilitation, strategy, coaching, and visual thinking. And what are the things that I do? I do mentoring, coaching, infographics, and a lot of motivation. What's inside my heart? I want to transform lives and in the end change the world. So what is my impact? I help people bring their dreams to life. The Center for Visual Facilitation was a dream of mine 2 years ago, and now it's an up and running business model. We have a 2-day fundamentals workshop, and then we also have an 8-week intensive, and we're about to unlock a community for our graduates of the 8-week intensive. But when it comes to your vision planning for next year, you've got to have the big, crazy, wild, audacious idea, as my mentor Chalene Johnson always says, which was the Center for Visual Facilitation for me 2 years ago. So I'm getting ready to do big vision boarding myself. But I always start by getting grounded by what do you know? What do you do? What's inside your heart? And what is your impact? When you answer those, it helps you get clear on your vision. And when you have a vision, it helps keep you motivated, because you can't help but want to do the necessary work to make that dream come true. So that's my little pro tip for you as we head into this next season. We're rounding out the end of the year. We're all about to start heading into different holiday breaks. But start to think about, what is your vision? What's going to be your motivation for next year?